टुडे चाइना इश्यूड रिटेलिएटरी टैरिफ्स ऑफ 34%। अब इसने चाइना के ऊपर टैरिफ डाले, चाइना ने इसके ऊपर टैरिफ डाले। 104% टैरिफ, 104% टैरिफ डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ठोक देगा चीन के ऊपर, ये कह के कि साहब अब तुम्हारी इकोनॉमी कलैप्स हो जाएगी। भारत का मैथ्स बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, टुडे विल टॉक लिटिल बिट मोर ऑन द tariff trade war that is going on between US versus rest of the world. So now this has reached almost the climax because China has retaliated with further tariff on US, and Trump is saying that he is going to further impose tariffs on Chinese goods to the extent of 50 to 100%. Now, this is something very serious, and it's a sort of not just a bluff game, but a game which has very serious consequences for both the US and China. So, who will blink first? That is the question. Whether Trump will blink or whether China will blink. In my opinion, it's the Chinese who are going to blink first. See, Chinese are what is their basic principle is that they say just the opposite of what they do. So, with this principle in mind, if Chinese are threatening US for the tariff they have imposed, it's clear that their economy is under dire state. China is trying to plug this gap by boosting exports to European nation and will also look towards India. However, we think that the best market for Chinese was the American market because the ease and everything was in their favor. Now, European are not as liberal as the US, and there will be tariffs imposed by European nation also. India is, of course, we have to see how the Indian government responds to this glut coming from Chinese markets to India. But definitely India will also try to restrict the same, because if they don't do it, then the Indian economy may be in jeopardy. So overall, if you see it, China is playing a bluff game, and they are playing it very smartly. But in the end, the Chinese economy will suffer, and either there will be